welcome to today's class. Today we are not going to do any new thing. We will be discussing about the online mock test. Okay, hope you have got the schedule. Tomorrow you are having day after tomorrow your test is there. So first of all, let us clear the confusion regarding the chapters which are there. So come to this. See, in the curriculum, hope you have downloaded that. This is already provided. Curriculum, there are two themes. First two themes will be there in the unit test portion. Okay, and this is the same only will be there in the mock test portion also. Okay, so theme 1, in theme 1, introduction to chemistry, this is there. Okay, which in your book you will be getting in chapter 1. Okay, or for this introduction to chemistry, one study material is also given, so from that also you can read this chapter, or from your book, so anyone you can choose. Okay, and for theme 2, see here, actual the confusion is there. In curriculum it is given as theme 2, but and the name of this theme is elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, so this in your book it is there in chapter 4, where elements, compounds, symbols and formula, this is the name of the chapter. So from this elements and compounds, this we will be doing. No formula is there in class 6. In your curriculum no formula is there, that's why we have not done that. Okay, so from this, and for this portion, you better you follow the whichever study material was given, so you follow that is from the curriculum only. Okay, and we will be following only the curriculum. So in your book so many extra things are there which is not there in curriculum, so these things are not required for exam. Okay, you can do afterwards, but in exam no question will come from that, that's why we have not done that. Okay, so elements, compounds, these two are there in curriculum, so from your book this part only you will be doing, or you can follow the study material which is given in chapter 4. Okay, in your book chapter 4 is there. Formula is not there, symbols you have to do. Okay, next, mixtures and separation of mixture, this is another chapter which is there in chapter 5. Okay, in your book in chapter 5 it is there, mixtures and pure substances and mixtures and separation of mixtures, this part is there in chapter 5 in your book. Okay, but this is also there in theme 2. So theme 2 includes this element, compounds and mixtures together. So chapter 4 and chapter 5 together we have combined in the curriculum, and we are calling it as theme 2. So both will be there in this part, in exam portion. Okay, so now I hope it's clear. You follow the study materials which are provided, and for mock test, and this is not the final test I'm telling. Okay, as this is the mock test, so this is just a this process, online test, and these processes are just new to you all, and this is new for us also. So this is just a trial, so that we can get familiar with this process, and how to answer this, and how all this process will run. So this is just a trial for this. Okay, that's why this is the this mock test is this is arranged. Okay, so and the worksheets which we have done already, you do those properly, you revise those. Okay, no need to take tension, it's very easy, and this is just the trial, this is just the mock test. Okay, and when you will be getting the question, you can see that especially as this is online test, so especially objective type questions are there. Okay, as we have done, choose the correct answer, match the following, this is there. So in match the following, what we have done in our earlier classes and all, what we have done, we have written side by side. Okay, but For this, in online test, you have to choose the options. Okay, you have to in drop down section, when you will be doing in your computer on your laptop, you can get the option, drop down option. From there you have to choose the correct answer for this. Okay, for match the following. Suppose for number one, anything can give given that will match with, uh, suppose five answers are there, so with any one answer it will match, so that answer you have to choose there. Or few short answer type questions are also there. For that you have to write down the letter, or write down the answer. Okay, but this will be again very short type, I'm telling repeatedly, as this is the online test. So generally objective type questions will be there, or fill in the blanks. Suppose for that you have to type the word. So this kind of questions will be there, and once you go through this, you can understand what type of uh, what are the questions, or what type of questions are given there. Okay, and after the mock test we will be having the final unit test. Okay, so this is just a trial, I'm telling repeatedly, so no need to panic. Just whatever we did in our previous classes, you go through that, go through the worksheets, and uh, take your preparations in this manner. Now let us discuss the important parts which you have to focus much. Okay, like the chapter 1, that is introduction to chemistry. From that, name of the scientist which we have done, and their discovery and all, or on which basis they are so much famous and all. So these things you have to do properly. Again, the chemistry and its uh, whatever, again the contribution of chemistry in our daily life, like in food, in food industry, or the fertilizers, pesticides, these parts you have to do properly. uh, Building materials, construction sites, these things, or like cosmetics, all these things you have to do properly. Okay, as we have done already in and from the worksheets you can get the type of questions also. Okay, so these things are there from the first chapter. In second chapter, elements, compounds, their symbols are important. Okay, metals and non-metals, metalloids, noble gases, their symbols, and symbols and names. And at this along with this, there are some exceptions in metals and in non-metal portion also, like liquid. Generally metals are solid, but soft metals are there, liquid metals are there. There are few non-metals which are liquid, or the few non-metals are there which are good conductor of electricity. So these exceptions, you know that. So this part is very important, so you put stress on this part. At the same time, mixtures and their separation, type of mixture. Okay, which are the mixtures, we can say, or suppose some examples are there. From that you have to choose whether this is mixture or not, or whether this is compound or not, or whether this is metal or not, like this. Okay, so this as we have done already, so you know that. So go through the read and go through the study material, or the book properly, line by line, and then only you can understand which parts are important, or uh, from which line you can get a question. Okay, so in this manner, as I told you before, in this manner only you have to read. Okay, you cannot do the only you cannot depend on the exercises. Okay, so these things are important. The bold letters which are there mentioned in the book and all, so from that you can get questions. So these things, for this you have to read the book thoroughly, properly. Okay, so this is all I can say. uh, all the best to all of you. No need to panic. You will be doing very good. I know that. So keep faith on yourself. I have that on you all. Okay, you will be doing very well. I know. Okay, so just do as I am telling. Uh, Keep on reading properly. Okay, and give your best. Okay, everything will be all right then.